How to change the background on Roblox mobile iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the background on the Roblox mobile iPhone. Firstly, open the browser of your phone. Search Web Chrome extension on the search bar. Open the Chrome Web Store here. Search Stylus on the search bar of the Chrome Web Store. Tap on Stylus shown and add it to Chrome. It can read and change all your data on the website, so add it to your extension. After a few moments, it will start downloading. When the downloading gets completed, you have to open a new tab. Here, search for roblox.com. Tap on the first website shown on the screen. You can continue it in the app or browser. I'm doing that in the browser. Now log in by providing your username or email address along with the password. After that, the home page of Roblox will be opened. Add extension on Stylus now. It will have no styles installed for this website. Enable the option styles are turned off as shown. Now find styles to change the background. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.